In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dark theme TradingView setup. If you're a fan of the minimalistic, eye-friendly aesthetics that dark mode offers, you're in the right place. Not only does it ease strain on your eyes during long hours of chart analysis, but it also gives your TradingView dashboard a sleek, modern look. So, let's dive right in and transform your experience. First, let's get started by logging into your TradingView account. This is important as you need to access your personalized settings to make the change. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface. Here, you'll notice your profile icon. It's a small symbol indicative of your account, usually accompanied by your initials or profile picture. Click on that profile icon. This will reveal a menu tailored to your account preferences and settings. Within this menu, closely examine the options provided. You're looking for a switch labeled Dark Theme. This switch allows you to toggle between the light and dark modes with just a simple click. Once you spot it, go ahead and toggle the switch to activate the dark theme. This action is straightforward but powerful, completely overhauling the visual layout of the platform. Immediately, you should observe that the entire interface undergoes a transformation. Your charts, watch lists, and all menus will take on a darkened background. This uniform dark theme not only enhances your workspace's aesthetics, but also contributes to a more focused trading analysis by minimizing distractions. Dark mode is especially beneficial for those late night trading sessions, where a bright white screen can be jarring and uncomfortable. By adopting this theme, you're choosing a setup that prioritizes comfort and efficiency. It's worth mentioning that besides the visual appeal, you might also find that this darker setup allows for better differentiation of chart elements, which can be particularly advantageous while analyzing complex data. And there you have it. In a few simple steps, you've successfully activated the dark theme on TradingView, enhancing both the functionality and style of your trading experience. Make sure to explore the other settings and tools TradingView offers, which can further personalize and optimize your trading environment. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials that simplify your trading and charting processes. Stay tuned and happy trading under your new, visually soothing dark theme.